Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to use Seesaw. The first thing you need to do is click I'm a student. After you click that, have your mom and dad help you sign in. You should be using your Caliber email so you can sign in with Google. Today, Oliver Otter is going to help us by showing us his account. Seesaw is a really fun app that you guys will get to use, and there's a lot of fun things you can do with it. So I'm going to click for Oliver. I have to click in the password. Once you're all logged in, this is what your screen is going to look like. When you start adding something, it'll show up in your journal. So this is your journal. If you want to see what all your friends are doing, you click this button here, and it'll show you the class journal. When friends post, if you click class journal, it shows you everything that your friends have posted. These will also be the names of all your friends in the Otter class. Any homework that Miss G gives you or any work that I want you to work on, you're going to click the activities bulb. So it's the light bulb and it says activities. So you can click on that. And anything Miss G wants you to work on will show up right here. Let's go back to our journal. There are a lot of fun things to do on here. You can make pictures, you can make videos, you can draw. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to add something to your journal. To add something, you click the plus sign. It says, what letters do you see? I see A, D, D. That says add. When I click this plus sign, this camera says photo. If you want to take a picture of your work, you click on this button and you can take a picture of something that you drew or something that you did. If you want to draw on the computer or your tablet, you click on this button. This button says drawing. I'm going to show you how to do that a little bit. There's a lot of fun things you can do with that. So when you click on drawing, you'll see this screen. T is for text. Text means you can type words. I'm going to type some words. The words I'm going to type are good morning, friends. I typed good morning, friends, and I can move it around. This microphone button is if you want to record something that you're saying. So you can click this microphone and then you just start talking, and when you're done, you click stop. Now I can also draw with this, and I can pick something that I want to use to draw. We know this is a pencil, and I can click the color. So maybe I want to draw with blue. I'm going to draw with my pencil in blue. I'm going to draw some clouds. Ooh, that's kind of a messy cloud. If I don't really like my cloud, I can always erase it. Or I can undo. This button here means to undo. And now it is gone. We also have this pen. It's very smooth. That's a fun line. Again, if you don't like that, you can click undo. This one is like a marker. I think it might be a highlighter. Let's see. I was right. It's a highlighter. So the way highlighters work is they highlight so you can still see the writing underneath, but they show you which part they want you to focus on. And again, I'm going to undo that. Let's see this. This is fun. So I want you guys to draw a picture of something that you like, something that you think is fun, and then I want you to post it. And I'm going to show you how to post it in just a minute. Now, let's say I'm drawing a picture. I'm going to draw some clouds. I really liked it with the pen. There's my cloud. There's a happy face. If I feel like, oh, you know what, it's a little messy, I can click this button. This is an eraser, and you can erase the parts that are messy, or you can just erase the whole thing. A faster way again is to click undo. Maybe I changed my mind, so I erased the happy face, but maybe I changed my mind, I want it to come back. I can click undo, and it's back again. When you're done with your drawing, you click the green check mark. That means you're done. And it'll go here where Miss G can see it. And if you did a super awesome, super amazing job, I will approve it so all your friends can see your beautiful work. One other thing, so I need to tell you something very important. We don't need to use these buttons down here. There is nothing that we really need to do. Those ones aren't that fun. I want you to make sure that you're using this to take pictures of any work that you draw on paper. If you want to draw on the computer or on your tablet, you can use this button that says drawing. And we're going to talk about this video button when we get to our next activity. Thank you, friends. I will see you in a little bit.